Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorials on Power BI. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get data into Power BI from flat types or from a CSV file. So as you can see in front of me here, I have a CSV file that is containing data about a particular school. So here you can see the school ID, the first name of the student, the last name, and so on. So I have this file that contains data about the school, and I want to import this file or get this file into Power BI for data analysis. So first thing first, I'm going to open my Power BI. Let me close this file. And I'm going to get my data into Power BI. So as you all know, you have various sources from which you can get data from and bring it into Power BI, but this tutorial focuses on CSV file. So for that, I'm just going to go to get data. Then from here, I'm going to choose text/CSV file. So I'm simply going to go to the location of my data. Students, okay, and I click open. Then after a while, I'm going to have a little bit of a visual on the data. So you can see here I have my visual on my student.csv file containing a number of rows. I can go through it to see if this is okay, and if that's the case, the only thing I'm going to do is to load the data into Power BI. So it's creating our model, then loading the model. Once that is done, in the fields part, I should be able to view all the fields that have been loaded in my Power BI. Excellent. So now you see here that in field I have my data here on the student. Then if I click here, I have now the various fields and some calculated fields also that were created automatically for me. So this brings an end to this tutorial, and in our next tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to update a data source in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.